Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the BitBraining channel. You're gonna learn the easiest and most simple way to install your Facebook pixel. I'm also gonna show you the one Chrome extension that will save you hours of time to make sure that your Facebook pixel is installed correctly. Hey y'all, before we get started, I just wanna say welcome to everybody who's new, and for those who are returning, my name is Aaron. I'm one of the co-founders here at BitBraining. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become those impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And if you wanna support the channel, we truly appreciate it. Just subscribe down below and make sure that you hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. All right guys, let's jump into this. The first thing you wanna do is go to Business Manager, so business.facebook.com, log into your Business Manager account. All right, then go over to your business settings. All right, there's multiple ways you can get here. Data sources on the left-hand side. Again, let's blur these. Just wanna protect the privacy there. And then we will add a Facebook pixel. So we're gonna create a new pixel. This is Aaron's test pixel. Into the website URL. It does not matter. It will matter for you, but it doesn't matter for this purposes here. Set up the pixel now. All right, so awesome. What do we want to do here? Connect using a partner integration. So the important thing here is that we know we're going to go to Shopify. Shopify is a partner here. Scroll down to Shopify. And then it says, see instructions. It will take you through it, but don't worry. You don't have to worry about that because I'm gonna walk you through it with this video. So what we wanna do, go over to Shopify and you will go to your website. So just log in right here to the main page. Go to the online store, go down to preferences, scroll down till you see the Facebook pixel, click set up Facebook. So yours will pull up here. It may take a little bit, but for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna connect it to a different test account that I have, which is Aaron's Real Estate. Okay, we're gonna view and accept terms. You do have to open this. You do need to scroll to the bottom. All right, click accept. Should be good, click done. All right, so now I want to make sure that I connect this to a page that that we have here. So this would obviously be for your business page. So I want to pause for a second and say here, the ad account will take a little bit of time to set up. Obviously, you've seen that here. I used a different ad account, but that is where you would go to see that. If you have issues or questions, just drop them below. And then you want to also make sure that your Facebook business page is set up through your business manager as well. And then go and connect it. It should already pull up here because you are the person who's, I would say, the lead on your page, meaning like you're the first person to create the business account. So it's gonna bring over those pages. All right, so I connected to Aaron's Real Estate. All right, enable customer data sharing. Yes, Facebook uses your customers' data to target product pages. This is basically what's gonna give you access to other pages across the internet that allows the pixel to work correctly. All right. Target location, we are in the United States. You can choose whatever country you are in. Just make sure it's accurate. This is important. It says update payment details. Nothing to worry about here. You would need to add your card to be able to run ads if you're gonna reuse that. Super easy there to go there and update and add your card. All right, go ahead and click accept. And then it's gonna make me update payment details. I'm not gonna put it in here, but this is how you would add a payment method, okay? So once that it's done, it would finish the setup and you're good to go. The only reason I think this is not letting me do it is because I need to set up the payment method, which I'm not gonna share on here. But just make sure that you go right there inside of that to create that part of the pixel. Okay, so one thing that you need to remember about setting up a pixel is that you need to follow the new iOS 14 update. This is new as of in 2021. That'll show you guys a little bit later. This has to do with the iOS 14.5 update. It may have moved out at that point. They keep updating when it's gonna happen, but this is supposed to happen as of new timeline of 2021. So early 2021, this is gonna roll out. Okay, so before we jump into the next step, which is to create your Facebook pixel, you would wanna put your URL here, which is Aaron shopify.com and test the traffic. If it's the correct URL, the correct page, then it's going to test the traffic. It's going to open up a page and it will tell you right here with a green light that this is an active page. After that, you click done and it's all set up. So that is the Facebook pixel side of things. But before we jump back into the Shopify side of things, make sure that it's all connected correctly. Make sure that the pixel is installed. Most people miss this one thing that is wasting a lot of time because you don't know what to do next because you're not assigned to a person. So even though this is in your business manager, you still have to assign a person. So go over here. You can see here my Aaron's test pixel, add people. I need to put myself as the person who can view the pixel and assign them, okay? Another thing that you want to be able to do is assign the assets, meaning the business page. So you'd want to search for your page here. I believe we did Aaron's real estate, but you would search for your business name, click add, and then there you go. So now that this person, Aaron, is now able to manage the Facebook page and the pixel. Again, some people, it's very easy to set up the pixel. You need to do it correctly, but they forget to assign themselves to it, and so they don't ever have access inside of their own business manager and then could never share it across the platforms. Now that you have the Facebook pixel installed, make sure that you go over to Shopify and make sure you check everything out. And I'm gonna show it with you in just 1 second, the one Chrome extension. But now that the ads are set up, you have everything going, you need to start creating ad campaigns, and we have a playlist for you. You can check it out here in the link below, and it walks you through how to set up your first ad campaign, how to scale, and even some case studies where you can glean some knowledge off of. All right, last but not least, head over to Shopify and install the pixel, then test it to make sure that traffic is working well. So you would want to go to your website, make sure that it's working, that you can see the pixel installed, and you know how you do that. You do that with one super simple Chrome extension. It's called the Facebook Pixel Helper. What this is going to look like, I'm on our Bit Branding site right now, right? Because we're using a test site. I just want to show you what it looks like. These are our Chrome extensions or my Chrome extensions right now. But you see this Facebook Pixel Helper. All you need to do is go to Google, Chrome extension, Facebook Pixel Helper. It will pop right up. It's free, super easy to install. You click this button right there, and what it will tell you, and we can't share too much, we can't share these numbers here, but you can see that it's a green bar here, or a green box, and it will show you how many different things are firing or how many events are firing. We have 2 of them, but basically all you really want to check at this point is that it is firing. You can do this with your competitor site. So let's just say for a client site, let me see here. It works for anything, doesn't have to just be your site, but you can also check to see your competitors. All right, so this particular site has 4. Again, we can't show the numbers, but they have 4 things that they're tracking on that site. So my point here is just install that app. It's gonna tell you very quickly whether it's installed correctly, if there's an issue or anything like that. And you know every time you log in, hey, it's got the green spot here. I know it's working. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I wanna hear from you. What kind of products are you selling online? I'm really curious. If it's an awesome product, I wanna know about it. I'm gonna go in there and check out the site and potentially buy something, but I'm really just super curious, so leave a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss out on any of the content that we have created here. All right, guys, we will see you next time in the next video. Take care.